Hello everyone, today we'll be taking apart this MJX HyperGO 3S battery just to see what's inside, how it's constructed, and that's it. And maybe before we start, check out this must-have upgrade for MJX HyperGO. It's a quick release latch for the shell. Just put it like this. That's it. You can do it one-handed. Yeah. You can 3D print this. I'll give you a link in the description. Alright. So, this thing is ultrasonically welded together, meaning we have to cut it open. And for this I will use my sonic knife. This is a ultrasonically welded. You'll see in a minute why it's called a sonic knife, because it's loud. Yeah, so let's begin. I just started here a little bit, but let's start. Alright, it should go apart now. Hey, look at that. Alright, let me just take something that more resembles a spudger. Okay. Making clicky sounds, that's always a good start. Maybe I have to cut a little bit. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice. Well, as expected, it's a regular lithium pouch 3S battery. I'm not sure, is it like asymmetrical? Yeah, it's glued down there. And this is it. Let's have a look. Here. Oh no, I broke that. How was it? How come I broke that? Was it glued? Welded? Let's see here. It was most likely, well, this thing was ultrasonically welded together. It welded here as well. But yeah, it's let me see, just a second. I have several of those 1300 milliamp hour batteries. If they would fit in here, but they won't. No. Too big. They even leave some space over here for the latch. And yeah, this one's 1300, this one is 1050. It's, yeah, relative size. Yeah, so this is the way it's constructed. Alright, I did that so you don't have to.